Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to integrate or embed document files like PDF, Docs, PPT or PowerPoint using plugin in Elementor WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write embedpress. So this is plugin we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see embedpress, so click on it. So we are in plugin setting and then you see global embed iframe. So you can set width and height according to requirement. Now go to Elementor page and we are going to add widget. Now you see search widget, so right here embed and then you see embedpress document, so drag and drop here. Now you see widget added and then on left side you see general advanced visibility. In general you see document type file. If you want you can add URL directly, so it's up to you. Now file and then you see upload file, so you can upload. Now you see upload a file or pick one from your media library. For embed supported file type PDF, Docs, PPT, PowerPoint, XLS. So we are going to upload it, so click on it. Now you see we have PDF, PPT. So first we are going to add PDF, select. Now you see PDF integrated and view, and then you see width, height. So you can do setting according to requirement. Now you see alignment, you see multiple option, control, so click on it. Now you see where custom, you see MS Office, Google. So you can set control according to requirement. You see multiple option. If you want you can enable social share. Now you see, so you can do setting according to requirement. Again click on general and then you see upload, so click on it. So we are going to upload PPT. Now select and then click on select. Now you see this is a PPT file. Now click on it. Now you see, now on left side you see controls, so click on it and then you see viewer. Now select Google. Now you see layout change again, PPT format change when we select Google. Now you see, now MS Office. So this is MS Office style. So you can do setting according to requirement. So you can upload any file like PDF, Docs, PPT, PowerPoint. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.